Hello, my name is Trinity Hoover from Wilson County, and I am a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. Today I will be educating you on how to use a rice cooker. While there are many different types of rice cooker, they're all fundamentally the same. Alright, step 1. Figure out how many people you want to feed. 4, 5, 6, even 7. 2. In your rice cooker, there should be a booklet that tells you how much rice to how much water you should use. Or you could also use the packaging for the rice. Ours looks like this. Step 3 is to plug in your rice cooker. Step 4 is to have your rice in there, and then you add your water. Step 5 is to add your lid and start it. Depending on which rice cooker you have, you would start it that way. Ours is a simple button that we press that goes from cook to warm whenever it's done. Some safety facts when using this is to not hurt your hand or put it between the socket and the plug. Second of all, whenever it's done and you're taking off the lid, make sure you use a pot holder so you don't burn yourself. Some fun fact is that you can cook more than just rice. You can cook whole meals from beans to fish and vegetables. And a recipe I encourage you to try is Korean ground beef rice bowls, with the link down in the description. Bye!